Wood. Okay. Now you'll get the visa. Sorry, pizza.
Okay, so we put the four lead back.
Mark. Too good, Mark. Too good. You'll wear the gloves.
Yes, I do.
Rolling the pizza. Kate, can you tell me how did you make this batter? This one? The dough. Flour. Yeast. Sugar. Salt. Oil. And hot water. Okay, thank you, Kate.
No, I get
375.
Is that one fan assisted?
There is a fan on it.
Ours is fan assisted.
I don't know how you use it.
Puts it way off the turbo convection.
We don't need it now. Everyone's splitting pizza anyway, don't we?
You just
This is the sauce you're putting?
This is the tomato sauce, pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
Is anybody else having the same way up?
Yeah, one glass. Yeah, had a glass. Well, got it.
I haven't got time for everything. I'm too busy.
Well, that was weird.
This is your pizza then.
Mark and Kate are very busy today.
Right. Who's having this pizza?
Acha, okay, Tofa, you tell me my toppings.
Got a little bit of. You got a ham? You got yours?
No ham. No ham, no
Chicken.
pig, chicken.
Chicken and everything else.
Chicken and everything else.
Chicken and everything else.
No ham, no bacon, no nothing. Beef and all.
No bacon, no ham, no. Oh, so you don't want anything else?
I want only chicken.
Only chicken. What about the onions?
Yeah.
Onion, of course.
Onion and all that. That's what I said.
I'm not
No
saying.
ham, bacon, beef, but everything.
These are what? Onions. Okay.
Mushrooms. There you go.
Anybody else have a sandwich? Just us three, mushrooms. And then these are finishing it off. Yeah, I know, just for the sake of finishing it off. That's pretty even, to be fair.
It takes naturally. It is so high flame. So whose pizza is this? What toppings?
This is ham and pineapple, and it's Tilly's.
For whom have you made?
Matilda. So you have to turn it quickly. So it's really.
Mind you, Mark is an engineer, and he's making a pizza. Oh my
So
God!
it's really quick.
Oh, very quick, Papa. Ooh, hot. Be careful.
Pizza.
Mark and Kate have been so kind. They are making pizza at home. Wow, what a blessed feeling.